Big news for the Miami Hurricanes. Hours ago, the College Football Playoff Committee announcing the Canes are in, earning a spot in the playoff without winning or even playing for their conference championship in the ACC. 5 days before Christmas, the Hurricanes will play on the road in College Station against 7th-ranked Texas A&M in the first round of the playoff. As soon as students heard this, some rushed to grab pieces of history from the Canes team store. CBS News Miami's Steve Majiri met excited crowds in Coral Gables.
Freshman Samantha Parrish says she was supposed to celebrate getting her scuba certification today. But once she found out her Miami Hurricanes made the college football playoff for the first time, she has another reason to celebrate.
And we were in, and we were just like screaming and jumping up and down, and we were like, oh, we got to go get some merch.
What was supposed to be a congratulatory gift
It's so big.
has turned into a Hurricanes playoff shopping spree at the team store. She's hoping the Canes can take the CFP by storm.
I mean, everybody is going to be like flooding the store, like, oh my goodness, we're in the playoffs, we need a new outfit.
Store general manager Harry Rothwell says this is an early holiday gift for him. And he says he had some gear designs ready to order in case the Canes made it to the playoff. He says these are some of the designs you'll see in a few days.
It is a piece of history for Miami. It's the first time being in it.
Rothwell says this gear is available to order on the website. And he says if fans order now, they should have it in time for the game.
It'll probably be a couple days before we get it, but at least they can get their orders in.
Parrish says this is quite the start for her journey and says she's glad she will have her outfits picked out ahead of time.
You thought you were going to get just one thing, now you're getting
Multiple. Probably more than need be.
UM's playoff game is on December 20th at noon. They'll be playing at Texas A&M in College Station. But if they make it to the national championship, they could get a home crowd because the national championship this year will be decided at Hard Rock Stadium. In Coral Gables, Steve Majiri, CBS News, Miami.